Cars, the new privacy nightmare. Modern cars are one of the worst products for maintaining individuals' privacy. The cameras, microphones, and sensors within them capture and record every movement, and companies sell or share this data without the car owner's knowledge. Details. The Privacy Not Included project by the non-profit organization Mozilla recently shed light on cars, studying 25 companies such as Renault, BMW, Subaru, Mercedes, Jeep, Fiat, Toyota, Nissan, Ford, Tesla, Hyundai, Cadillac, Honda, Chevrolet, Audi, Lexus, Volkswagen, and others. The key findings were as follows. Number 1. All cars collect personal data extensively and beyond necessity, using it for purposes unrelated to the vehicle itself. Information collection methods include in-car data collection, in-car used services, smartphone applications, and other applications like Google Maps. Alarming data also includes genetic, medical, and national data, driving patterns, songs, and audio recordings. Number 2. Most of them share or sell the data to external entities, with about half of them potentially sharing it with governmental bodies without an official request. Number 3. Most do not provide drivers with control over their personal data, or grant them minimal control. Number 4. The organization could not verify whether companies protect personal data as they should, such as encrypting the data after collection. Number 5. Tesla is the riskiest type of car concerning the privacy of its owners. Number 6. Nissan and Kia collect strange data, such as sexual activity, inside their cars, and 6 other companies collect genetic data. Number 7. Their privacy policies are generally complex and lengthy, not easily understandable for the average person. Some policies exceeded 10,000 words, and it's unrealistic to expect a driver to read them. Number 8. Almost all car companies ignore the user's permission request before collecting or sharing their data, with some assuming that simply owning the car implies implicit consent. What can be done? Number 1. Avoid using the car app on smartphones as much as possible, or at least limit the app's permissions. Number 2. If the car requests the driver's permission to collect data, block it. Number 3. If you intend to sell the car, erase the stored data. Number 4. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Number 5. Try not to connect the car to the internet as much as possible and avoid using supportive applications like Alexa or Google Maps. The usual advice is to choose trusted products. However, privacy protection in cars is not a top priority for the average person, which is dangerous. More importantly, all types of cars overall care very little about privacy and are comparable. The difference between them in this regard is not fundamental. Additionally, it is the driver's right to enjoy the benefits of the car they purchased. Requesting the blocking of some features may be excessive since the price has been paid in advance. Car companies rely on this fact and the limited options available to the driver, often exploiting and taking advantage of it. It is evident that cars have shifted from their primary purposes of transporting people and movement into voracious machines for data collection. Companies behind them either sell or share this data, all of which happens without the driver's sufficient knowledge or consent in many cases. Raising awareness about these new practices may hopefully provoke some reaction from both companies and legislators. Dear viewers, please don't forget to like this video, support us by subscribing to the channel, and hit the notification bell to receive our latest updates.